Hello guys, so this is another session for week 1, session 2 in bakery operations in senior high school in a new senior high school curriculum. So panoorin po yung video dahil lalabas po yung password para makuha niyo yung pinakang presentation. So for the next session, we have the career and business opportunities in baking, the fundamentals of baking bread and other baked products. So for the learning objectives, they are going to identify different careers in the baking industry, describe the duties and responsibilities of baking professionals, recognize business opportunities related to baking, and appreciate baking as a source of livelihood and entrepreneurship. So for the introduction, yung mga tanong, why explore careers in baking? So ang sagot, the baking industry offers various career paths and business opportunities for individuals who are passionate about food, creativity, and entrepreneurship. So what are the benefits of a baking career? Of course, madami tayong job opportunities, creative expression, income generation, and entrepreneurship opportunities. So for the reflection question, ask your students, if you were given a chance, what baking-related job would you like to have? So, madami dyan sasagot. Mag-iisip sila kung ano nga ba yung baking-related job na pwede sa kanila. Okay, so ito yung mga baking opportunities and careers. First, we have the artisan baker. So, who is an artisan baker? An artisan baker specializes in making handcrafted breads and pastries using traditional methods and high-quality ingredients. So, what are the responsibilities of an artisan baker? It produces handmade bread, uses traditional baking techniques, and focuses on quality and craftsmanship. So, what are the skills needed? Creativity, patience, and attention to detail. Next, baker. Who is a baker? A baker prepares and bakes different products such as bread, cakes, cookies, and pastries. So the responsibilities measures ingredients accurately, robust dough mixing machine, operates baking equipment, and ensures product quality. So what are the workplaces of a baker? So we have the bakeries in hotels, restaurants, and food manufacturing companies. Cake decorator. So, who is a cake decorator? A cake decorator designs and decorate cakes for special occasions. What are the responsibilities? Create cake designs. It applies icing and decorations. Use decorating tools. It customizes cakes according to customer request. Skills needed, of course, artistic ability, creativity, and precision. So, entrepreneur. Who is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur starts and manages a baking business. So, their responsibilities are manages bakery operations, markets products and services, handles finances, develops business strategies. What are the advantages? Be your own boss, earn profits, create job opportunities. So, just explain na lang sa inyong mga bata, mas palawakin. So, for food, one of the opportunity also is being a food blogger. Who is a food blogger? They create video content about food and baking products for online platforms. Madami tayong mga food blogger and mga baker, may mga channel talaga. Responsibilities, review baked products, demonstrates baking techniques, shares recipes and tips, engages with viewers. Platforms, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. So, food influencer. Who is a food influencer? A food influencer promotes food products and businesses through social media. So, ang responsibilities nila, they create foods-related content, promotes bakeries and products, collaborates with brands, influences consumer choices. Skills needed, communication skills, creativity, and social media knowledge. Ayan, yung comparison ng mga career na nabanggit. The main role and the skills needed. So, it's just a summary. For the discussion, ask your student which career requires the most creativity and why. So, kakaroon kayo ng interaction between your students and you as their teacher. So, for the class activity, career match up. Ayan. So, imamatch lang nila yung mga responsibility ng bawat career. So, meron na dang sagot. Takpan na lang ninyo, yung pinakang sagot kasi nakamatch na siya. So, for the processing question, which career do you think best matches your interest and ability? So, mapapaisip sila, ano ba yung kaya ko at ano yung gusto ko in the future na maging career related sa baking. Ayan, for the assessment and reflection, give them a short quiz. Ayan, who specializes in handmade bread using traditional methods? What is the main role of cake decoration? Who manages a bakery business? What platform is commonly used? Why is baking considered a good opportunity in business? So, in reflection, if you were given a chance to explore a baking career, which one would it be and why? So, meron tayo dyan teachers closing message. The baking industry offers many career and business opportunities. Whether you choose to become a baker, entrepreneur, content creator, or cake decorator, success comes from passion, creativity, and continuous learning.